Good morning, students. Here once again I come to you in the form of this small video. Hope you are keeping fine at home. Remember, yesterday we were discussing about the importance of river, and if they are so important to us in various ways, then we need to keep them clean. And so we discussed about the pollution of water bodies. Different types of water bodies also we discussed, and therefore with that we had concluded. Remember, now I would like to discuss a little bit today, not much, in this video, about the exercise. Now see, I'll be giving you in very short time the inside question, which is important. The questions which will help you to learn the whole lesson. So inside question, that is called. If you do that inside question, around 10 to 15 small questions, not the large or the long answer type of question, it's a short answer type of questions that I will give you. And if you do that, you will be able to cover up the whole lesson. That's how in a short time I will be giving you, maybe tomorrow or the next video. But today let us go through the question. It's very easy actually. The first question of A number, first one is A number, is the your options are given. Remember, usually I don't give the options in the fill in the blanks or a very short answer or objective types of questions. I usually don't give the options. You may not find when you will be writing exams the options. So remember that. That means you need to remember exactly. The huge water body on the surface of the earth is called yes, number A, ocean. Number 2, dash is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. Everybody knows. Number 1, okay, Pacific Ocean. That is the number 1. Not number A, B, C. I did not say. Okay. Number 3, the circular chain of dash is known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Pacific Ring of Fire. Which ocean it is? Where it is? This Pacific Ring of Fire, where it is found? It is in Pacific Ocean. It is in Pacific Ocean. So what is this? What type of chain is there? They are volcanic, active volcanic. It's not dormant. Okay, it's active. Remember, volcanoes are of 3 types. Okay, remember, the volcanoes are of 3 types: active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, and extinct volcano. Extinct volcano. I said active, dormant, and extinct. What type of volcano and where do we find in India? Hi, we have dormant volcano in India. It is in one of the islands of Andaman and Nicobar. Remember that. It is not written here. Okay, next one is number 4. Lake Dash is the largest deep lake in the Andes mountain. Shall I give you the option? The option are Baikal Lake. Is it in Andes mountain? Omega, is it in the Andes mountain? Superior Lake, is it in Andes mountain? Is it the Titicaca? Titicaca, not Chacha. It's a Titicaca. This is the right answer. Okay, number 5. Number 5. A dash is an inlet of an ocean or a sea deep into the land with a narrow mouth. Main thing too, yesterday, the other day we had discussed the two things, narrow opening and wide opening. So here it is. Is it the bay? Is it the gulf? Is the strait or delta? It is the gulf. It is the answer is gulf. Number B, fill in the blanks now. Dash is the only ocean in the world which is named after a country. It is India. Which ocean? Number 2, the five great lakes are located in the continent of which continent? Asia? No, it is in it is in USA. USA. USA is which continent? Find out. A dash is a curved indentation of a sea or a lake into the land with a wide opening. What is that? Bay of Bengal. Remember, wide opening. Next one, number 4, dash. The deepest point on the Earth's surface is located in Mariana Trench. What is that? Challenger Deep. Challenger Deep. International Hydrographic Organization listed which ocean as the major ocean? How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. Which is the new one? Southern Ocean. Remember that. Next, number C. Very fast. Name the following. The shallowest ocean. Where it is found? Shallowest ocean. Antarctica. The lake which is largest home to migratory bird. Migratory. I discussed. Remember that. That is, what is that? It is in India. Chilika. Number 3, world's longest river. Longest, not I am not saying the widest river or biggest river. It's the longest river. Till now, it is Nile. Nile. Where it is? The warmest ocean. Warmest ocean. Which is that? Is it the Pacific Ring of Fire? Where the Pacific Ring of Fire? Pacific Ocean? No, it is not the answer. Answer is Indian Ocean. The longest and the deepest lake in the world. Very easy. Okay, largest and deepest lake in the world. It's a Lake Baikal. Now, differentiate between the following. Ocean and the sea. I don't think there will be any problem here. River and lake, no problem. It is in the book. Very well, short. Write it down. Upper and lower course of river. On page number here about the river, page number 39. See the diagram. And then I explained the three parts of the river. Upper course, the middle course and the lower course. Remember that. So river, upper course and lower course and river course. What is the characteristics? Gulf and the bay. Just now I gave the clue there. Next, number E, answer the question in about 20 to 30 words. 20 to not more than that. It's very short answer. The definition and example or the names. Like what are the two numbers? What are oceans? Name the 5 major oceans. Very easy. Which are the major water bodies on the earth? Remember, at least write 5. What are seas? Also seas and oceans. Differentiate between seas and oceans. Here it is. What are rivers? Important rivers of Asia, not of Europe, Asia. Why can't we use sea water for drinking? I said only 3% is the fresh water body in our on the earth's surface. Next one is the answer the following questions in about 50 to 60 words. Is a long type of answer. It is important. Please do it. And if you cannot do it, let me know. Okay, we'll do it together. Okay, so stay safe. It's a short video. Stay safe. Thundering.